Hello everyone. This application is all about advanced sales reporting in the sales module. In the sales module, we will be having a reporting. In that, we have added few features. That is, we have added an advanced feature. First one is the average spent per customer. So how we will be calculating the average spent by the customers, and the secondly, the average revenue per order. How much revenue will be derived from the sale order which will be created. Thirdly, the repeat order rate, like how much product has been repeated in throughout your business in that particular year or month. And fourthly, that is the time delivery, on time delivery, where how much time it was taken for the delivery, and it is up to the mark, everything can be tracked up. And fifth, that is a customer return, how much product has been returned from the customer in that particular year. Based on that, you will be able to know what is the reason for that customer return, everything. So all these five features had been added into this advanced sale reporting. And now I will show how this application will be working and how the calculations will be done. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version. First, we need to go to the sales module. In the sales module, we have a reporting. Under reporting, we have a sales. We need to click on that. Once the sale is clicked on that, you will be able to see this line graph. Here I'll remove the filters, and here you will be able to see there is a pivot view. I will go to the pivot view. In the pivot view, you will be able to see the average revenue per order, average spent per customer, repeat order rate, on time deliveries, and the customer returns. And now I will show one by one how this calculation will be arrived in this particular reporting section, everything. So first is average spend per customer. You probably know what your revenue is, but you do not know what is your average revenue per customer is. So for calculating this, I will take this total and I will put a customer filter here. So the average spend per customer will be the untaxed total and divided by the number of customers in this particular screen. So I will go to this particular calculator and I will take the untaxed amount, that is 33,320.50, divided by the total number of customers in this particular reporting, that is 5. So based on that, you will be able to see average spent per customer will be calculated in this particular field. So the average spent per customer is equal to the untaxed total divided by the total number of customers. And secondly, there is an average revenue per order. So how this average revenue per order will be calculated? Average revenue per order, otherwise known as an average order value, measures the average total of every order placed with a merchant over a defined period of time. To calculate this, we will be using the formula untaxed total divided by the revenue per order. So in this total, I will be clicking on add a custom group, and here you can see there is a order reference. I'll be taking this. So once I will be putting the order reference here, you will be able to see how much sale order has been created for this particular month or day. So there are 27 sale orders created. So I'll take the calculator. Here I will give 33,320.50, that is untaxed total, divided by the total number of sale order created, that is 27. So based on this, you will be able to see there is an average revenue per order will be coming up here. So this average revenue per order will be calculated based on this particular formula. Next is repeat order rate. The repeat order rate shows you the percentage of your current customer base that has purchased for the second time or more. This metric is a good indicator of the value you are providing your customer. A good repeat purchase rate is dependent on the industry. A high repeat order rate indicates your customers are finding value in your business. Fulfilling the sale orders is a crucial step, identifying how well you are serving your customers and fulfilling orders within these metrics. So now I will show how this repeat order rate will be calculated. I'll go to the tab and here I'll go to the sales. I'll remove the filter. I will add a group by filter of a customer. So in this particular screen, you will be able to see there is a 5 customers, and in that Gemini Furniture has purchased the sale order, that is 20. So Gemini Furniture is one of the customer who has bought more than once a year this orders. So if I come to the sales analysis, I will take the customer here in the total, and here you can see there is a repeat order rate. So here in this particular screen, only Gemini Furniture is only one customer who has taken more than once in a year. So the formula for the repeat order rate will be the number of customers who bought more than once in a year divided by the total number of customers. Divided by the total number of customers. So if I come here, I will give 1. That is one customer Gemini Furniture has taken the orders divided by how many customers are there in this particular sales reporting, that is 5. You will be getting zero point 0.2, that is the repeat order rate will be calculated based on this particular formula. And next is on time delivery. So on time delivery is very important, and it will be helpful to measure the business ability to honor the target shipment dates when fulfilling customer order. Failing to delivery order on time can put a strain on your customer relationship in the long term and negatively impact your bottom line. A low rate of on-time deliveries hint at weakness in the order fulfillment process, whether that is picking, packing, or shipping. Manual tasks can also lead to higher rates of late deliveries. Good product business will mitigate this by using an effective system, aiming for accurate demand forecasting, implementing effective warehouse workflows, and exercising the great inventory control. And now I will show how this on-time deliveries will be calculated. In the sales module, how much ever the sale order is created and how much is the order delivered at that particular time. The effective date and the scheduled date is 21, and how much they will be delivering at that particular time. That analysis will be done, and that value will be coming up in this on-time deliveries. So the on-time delivery percentage is equal to the total number of shipments received by the customer on time divided by the total number of shipments into 100. So based on this particular quotations and sale orders which you will be creating, and what is the delivery order which is on time delivered, the then into 100 will be given on time deliveries in this particular on time delivery screen. And next we have the customer returns. So the journey doesn't end once the product is in the customer hand. You need to make sure that the customer is satisfied with the product. You can manage this by monitoring the customer return by products to identify any product quality issues, selling problem, or customer satisfaction shortfall. To calculate the return as a percentage of items sold. Dedicated inventory management software enables quick and accurate reporting across your purchasing, production, stock, and sales processes. It offers advanced functionality to give you valuable insight to your business and support your growth. So how much ever the customer has been written in the sale order, if you create a sale order and if some of your customer return few products, that is if you see here there will be a return due to some issues in the product or due to the bulk amount, you can see there will be one return created for this particular product. So based on that, here in the customer returns, this will be calculated. Number of customer return process divided by the total number of units sold into 100. So based on this formula, the customer returns will be calculated in this particular sales reporting. So these are the 5 types features which we have put up in this advanced sale reporting module. That is the average revenue per order, average spend per customer, repeat order rate, on time delivery, and the customer returns. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.